Hello! Yung karaoke ko ay nasa loob na kasi I don't want that my karaoke is stay storm. Why you're making noise, baby? Hey, say hi muna. Say hi, say hi. Very good. You're so clever. Mommy love you so much. You're clever dog. Say hi again. Say hi. Say hi. No, no. Your legs, baby. Hi is like this. Oh, no. You don't want. Eh, yung dog ko yan, guys. His name is Storm. Kapag hindi ka nag-hi sa kanya, if you don't know how to hi to him, and then he want to say hello to you, he say something. Something, sounds of dog, of course. But there's no language at all. You need to understand what your dog saying. Diba? I'm home. Home sweet home. At no more no more store na in my house. It's look like that. Yes, like that. There's still case of soft drinks. Puno pa yan. Kaya I cannot carry all because it's very heavy and I'm waiting that Gabo will help me to do that. I cannot carry alone. But one by one, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be more tired. I want to say sorry, I made video yesterday, but the video is not good, not perfect. Ayun guys, tinuloy ko pa rin i-download kasi mayroon akong panawagan in a European country or some countries that there's no corruptions. I want that they will help us here in Philippines to stop corruptions. Corruptions is to be continued every time that there's a new elected. The time that Sir Roa Duterte is president, we are okay. We are fine, yes. But I want that to be continued. But I feel sorry that some of my that video is not good. And this is, I'm not comfortable to say something because I know that in the top is higher kind of position that it's not good to attack. And I feel more nervous to say something. That's why, I got a mental block to say something. And I want that, I want to say sorry. But I'm asking help to stop corruptions in Philippines. That's what I want. And I hope that someday the penalty is back. Yeah, I'm as Ma'am Sara Duterte. I hope it's happening. By the way, thank you guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa panunood at pagsubaybay ng aking YouTube channels. May mga kapgong gwapo. Say hi. Ayun guys, ayun. Mayroon yata silang siguro pupunta silang kabugubatan kung saan sila mag-duty ng anong tawag doon? Ewan ko anong tawag doon. Wala naman akong alam sa I don't know anything about, their job. Okay. By the way, it's none of my business. Yun lang guys. Thank you nga pala sa inyo. Pasensya na kayo. My English is a little bit nervous. Nervous, the person who's saying something, I feel not comfortable. Yeah. I know it's not easy to say something because I don't want that some person will hate me or kick me back like that. But the honest is our life is like that here in Philippines. It's a part of elected problems. Yeah, new elected problems. By the way guys, thank you. Thank you so much sa inyo. Thank you to continue watching my video and support. Thank you so much. Bye.